Hi and welcome to the Piab booth. My name is Madeline Take. I'm the product manager for vacuum pumps, and I'm here to present to you the new Pi Classic Neo. So Pi Classic Neo is our newest platform for our flagship product Pi Classic. This new platform allows us to have high performance in a smaller footprint, and we also have a wide range of different installation interfaces that you can use to suit different application needs. We also offer energy-saving functionality for handling both leaking materials such as cardboard, as well as sealed materials such as maybe sheet metal or plastic. So this new technology that we are now coming out with is unique of its kind. We have an international patent pending on this new design that's really focused on ease of use, ease of maintenance, to make sure that it has a long life and it solves our customer pains.
This is the UR15. This is the newest robot in the UR series, which is our 6th generation highest performing set of robots. This is our fastest robot to date with a spec sheet speed of 5 meters per second. We achieve that with wrist speeds of up to 300 degrees per second, an elbow speed of 240 degrees a second, and base and shoulder of 180 degrees per second. It has a reach of 1,300 millimeters, equivalent to the 10E. It has a payload capacity of 15 kilograms, and in certain wrist down configurations, 17.5 kilograms, giving it a 5 kilogram capacity increase over the UR10E. The 15 is going to be used in applications that require a lot of high speed, particularly in wrist orientation motions. So we see things like dual gripper machine tending, high speed pick and place applications, reconfiguration and regrip applications, and anything where motion speed is paramount is where we're going to see huge uses for the UR15.
Hi, we're here at the 8020 booth at Automate 2025, showing off our new guarding system. Pre-made, ready to go panels in stock, set sizes, so you can easily attach to your T-slot aluminum that you're all familiar with and have used for years. Another great advantage with 8020, the two brands we have within, from our pipe and joint offering to the T-slotted bar, now offering new components to attach and accessorize your frame accordingly. This opens up the door for you to do a wide variety of things. Here's an example of how we use it for our flow cart, a flow rack if you will, custom to your size. You're not constrained by the standard off-the-shelf brand. Make it fit your needs, your size, your package. Also some tongue and hitch apparatus. Great for your AGVs, AGCs, whatever you're using. Make it fit for you. 8020, the industrial erector set. Build your idea.
Hey everybody, this is Dan Spethman with Phoenix Contact. Coming out soon, we have a VL3 UPC Edge that is running a containerized version of the PLC Next runtime. In the near future, we're going to be releasing the software component of this and selling 3 different versions of a virtualized system of PLC Next. The virtual PLC Next, we decoupled the runtime from the hardware. So you can execute it on basically any piece of hardware from an ARM processor up to an i7. You can even have it execute within a server where you are running multiple instances on one piece of hardware. So you're not just limited to your physical hardware. It's not running on bare metal. It's a software component, so you can always spin up another instance. If you're running into processor limitations or memory limitations, it's very easy to port it over or scale it up.
Good morning, Brad Chiklinski here with PhD. We're here at the Automate Show 2025 in Detroit. Today I want to give you a sneak peek of one of our new products, the Remote Drive. And the Remote Drive is a unique product. It's really game-changing, cutting-edge in the fact that it's the only product in the world that can provide air on demand as long as you have a 24-volt DC power supply and you have a battery or some sort of DC voltage available. You can move around mobilely and still provide pressure up to 90 psi on the fly. So AGVs, AMRs are great applications where you may utilize the product, or something far out in outdoors where you're remote and it's hard to get a compressor nearby and you don't have that voltage or power supply near. The beauty of the product is that it has the ability to provide pressure and vary pressure as a regulator would, and also it can provide the function of a valve as well. And it does that all from one really compact package.
Hi everyone, we're here in the Zebra booth. Today we're showing off this demo that Neff Automation actually helped out on. This demo is utilizing Aurora VGR Assistant. It's a new software developed by Zebra that uses vision-guided robotics to solve common applications in manufacturing. What's interesting about it is it uses one controller to not only guide the collaborative robot, but it also tells what the machine vision camera camera is to capture. So here it's showing off how to pick AA, AAA, and C batteries, and it's picking them and placing them based on which end is positive and which end is negative, putting it into a tray and then dumping it off into this little tray over here too. Here you can see the different dashboard that they created for the VGR. It checks the different polarity based on the Zebra camera that's behind the screen here. And then it goes through a final inspection, dumps it into the tray.